Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your TikTok issues. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok problem, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you'll search about the application of TikTok and you will enter. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working, you can go to Play Store. You will search about TikTok and you can click here update if you will find it in this blue sign to update your application of TikTok. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.